Ang Pilipinas ay isang mga bansang naapektuhan ng pandemya na nagdulot din ng epekto sa mga mamayang Pilipino. Ngunit ano nga ba ang kalagayang kinakaharap ng mga estudyante sa pag-aaral ng physical education? Kaya naglibot ang aming team sa Kamaynilaan para humingi ng opinion tungkol sa advantages at disadvantages of physical education amid pandemic. Bilang isang estudyante, ano ang disadvantages at advantages ng physical education amid pandemic?
Advantages of physical education this pandemic. Basically, you can exercise freely without anyone bothering you. You can do your own privacy. No one will bother you because we implement the social distancing. By doing it so, you can exercise well knowing that no one will come and interrupt your whatever you are doing. And you can finish your routine all relaxed and well. These are one of the advantages of physical education this pandemic.
Advantage of physical education within COVID-19. Physical education advantage within COVID-19 is this will help you to be more healthier, to become fit. You will have a healthy body. Also have a strong system to fight COVID-19. Also, you will become more fit and confident to yourself.
So ayun, para sa akin ang disadvantages ng physical education this pandemic is mahirap siya matutunan kasi online setup tayo. Kagaya ng papakita ng mga exercises, mga ganun, mga activities, physical activities, mahirap i-demo sa online setup and ipakita ng teacher and mga students nila.
In my opinion, ang disadvantages ng PE amid pandemic ay mahirap intindihin yung mga exercises and lesson dahil hindi nakikita ng actual, which is bad kasi maaaring magkaroon ng muscle pain o kapag mali ang pag-perform ng exercises. At isa pa sa mga disadvantage ay lack of devices and space to perform those exercises. Kasi minsan sa bahay, hindi mo mapapractice yung exercise dahil maliit ang space at magulo ang bahay.
Sa pamamagitan ng opinyon ng mga estudyanteng ito ay nagkaroon tayo ng ideya kung ano ang disadvantages at advantages ng physical education amid COVID-19 pandemic.